Up next is 1,000 cc's of metric go fast in the form of this beautiful red and white 2012 Yamaha R1. Top of the food chain, well, the sport bike food chain over at Yamaha. 6-speed transmission. Check the miles. Right under 21,000, and we'll start it. I usually don't start the sport bikes because almost always the used one that come in, have factory exhaust systems, so they sound like what they sound like. This Kaufman exhaust system is definitely not factory and definitely not quiet. Bike's in really great shape, partially because the previous owner took great care of it, partially because Jamie in our detail department got her hands on it before it came out to the showroom floor, so it looks like this. Bike's ready for a test ride anytime, 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.